how to use Google Meets. Once you put the information of the student in the Chromebook and you open internet, the student account is going to be activated. And you can see here, you will see the initials of the students in this part where you can see the picture. Once you are in internet, you are going to click this grid here that is going to show you all the Google apps. But now we're going to look for Google Meets. When you click on this icon, it's gonna take you to another page and you're gonna see this box here, this green box. What you have to do is click on this box and write the PIN or the code or the name of the meeting that the teacher sent you. So let's see. And I'm going to put continue. Then this page is going to open and you're going to click join now. Here, this green button. Then you're going to have this screen open. You can see here, you will see the teacher and the other people that are connected to the meeting. If you want to silence the meeting, you continue listening to other people, but you just stop the sound from your computer. You just click on there. If you want to activate it so the other people can listen to you, you click on it. If you want to hang or leave the call, you just click there. And if you want to turn off the camera, you turn it off. You want to turn it on again, you do it. You can leave the meeting clicking here or just closing the website. And that's how you use Google Meets.